Do you have an eye for detail and enjoy working with your hands? This career might be for you. This person installs, repairs, and maintains pipes and fixtures used in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Let's meet a plumber. Kevin, it's great to meet you.
You too.
I'm excited to see the shop. Can you show me around?
Absolutely, let's go.
Let's go.
My name is Kevin, I'm a plumber and we're in Vancouver. I mostly do installation of furnaces and boilers. My grandfather started the business and then my uncles and my dad took over the business. As a family business, you get drawn into it at a young age. Summer holidays in high school is when I basically started, so 13. I really enjoyed working with my hands, and putting pipes and building something from the ground up is sometimes nice, and seeing the gratification from the finished product.
Kevin, this looks like quite a busy room in here.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about how you keep it organized?
Yeah, we actually have a warehouse manager that keeps track of all of our inventory, and if we're missing anything, he gets it ordered from the wholesale.
Okay, and what about the people who are servicing things? Are they coming in every day, or?
Some of the guys come in probably at least once a day to pick up different parts for their van.
Makes sense.
I went to BCIT, did my apprenticeship. Basically, you go to school for 6 weeks a year, and then you do an apprenticeship in school. You get all the code requirements, you learn about the code, and then working with really good journeymen is the biggest one. You know how to solder, you need to know electrical, you need to know glue pipes together, put them together, getting proper grade on piping.
Kevin, so I see we have your training furnace open. Can you tell me about what you have your apprentices do here?
Yeah, so this is where we train some of our apprentices. So we hook up gas to it and we can actually show them how to set up the gas pressure on the gas valve properly.
Cool. Do you ever take parts from this?
Sometimes we rob parts of it just to get some of our customers up and running.
And what do each of these components do? Can you?
Yeah, so this is just a wire harness to go to the inducer, so it just makes it easier to replace the inducer
Got it.
when
Okay.
necessary.
Makes sense. Thank you for that.
You know, and a lot of our customers, they spend a lot of money on them, and they actually bring their friends down and show them their new boiler rooms sometimes, which is kind of odd, but some of the customers say that, and it's kind of nice to hear.
Kevin, thank you so much for showing me around.
Thanks, it's been great.
Once again, I'm Miriam for Career Trek, reminding you this career could be yours.